Imagine you're watching a TikTok of someone dancing in a gorgeous floral dress. You pause for a closer look, and suddenly a pop-up appears suggesting where to buy something just like it. Cool, right? Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub for all the tech updates. Say hi to TikTok's latest experiment in turning entertainment into instant shopping. In a quiet but bold move, TikTok is testing a new AI-powered shopping feature that could change how we shop online. Called Find Similar, this tool scans past videos to identify visible items like clothes, accessories, or home decor and recommends similar products available on TikTok Shop. It's like Shazam for fashion, but fitted directly into your scrolling screen. Here's how it works. When you pause a video, TikTok's AI gets to work. Spot a pair of trendy sneakers, that rug in the background, the oversized sunglasses. The system hunts down lookalikes and suggests them instantly. No need to leave the app. With a single tap, you're browsing products inspired by the content you were just watching. Only a limited number of users have access to the feature for now, and TikTok hasn't announced a wider rollout yet. But this quiet test signals something bigger is coming. It's going to blur the lines between watching and buying. If the testing goes well, TikTok could become more than just a place to discover trends. It could be where you buy them too. With AI joining hands with impulsive buying, TikTok is changing the landscape of online shopping in real time, in your feed, and without skipping a beat. Are you waiting for this update? Let us know in the comments. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.